Hello, let's try to solve this question. And the question is 4 raised to the power m plus 16 raised to the power m. It's equal to 64 raised to the power m. What is the value of m in our question? So let's start. The given equation is 4 raised to the power m plus 16 raised to the power m. It's equal to 64 raised to the power m. First of all, we divide this equation by 4 raised to the power m on both sides. So this is our 4 raised to the power m. Divide this by 4 raised to the power m. Also divide this by 4 raised to the power m. And in the next step, we apply the identity of exponent and we know that a raised to the power x over b raised to the power x, it's equal to a over b raised to the power x. So apply this identity on all the terms. So this will become a 4 over 4 raised to the power m plus this will become a 16 over 4 raised to the power m, and the last term will become a 64 over 4 raised to the power m. Now look at this. This 4 and 4 will cancel. We just get a 1 raised to the power m plus divide this by 2. So this is our 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. So this is our 8 over 2, its power is m. It's equal to, this is a 64 and we write this as a 8 square. 8 square is equal to 64 and 4 is equal to 2 square and its power is m. Now in the next step we write this as a 8 over 2 raised to the power 2, its again power is m, and we copy the left hand side. This is a 8 over 2 raised to the power m plus 1 raised to the power m, it's equal to just 1. Now here we apply the exponent rule and we know that a raised to the power n raised to the power a raised to the power n multiply m, it's equal to a raised to the power m multiply n. So apply this identity on this term. So this will become 8 over 2 raised to the power m multiply 2. It's equal to, this is a 8 over 2 raised to the power m plus 1. Now in the next step, subtract 1 and 8 over 2 raised to the power m on both sides of this equation, and so this will become 8 over 2 raised to the power m multiply 2 minus 8 over 2 raised to the power m minus 1, it's equal to 0. Now in the next step we let that 8 over 2 raised to the power m, it's equal to x. Then above equation will become a x square minus x minus 1, it's equal to 0. Now this will become a quadratic equation, and to solve this equation we use a quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a, and a, it's equal to the coefficient of x square which is 1, and the b is a coefficient of x which is minus 1, and the c is a constant and the constant is minus 1. So substitute this value in this formula. So this will become a b is a minus 1, so minus b will become a positive 1 plus minus, and the b square will become a 1 minus 4, a is 1 and the c is minus 1 over 2 and a is 1. Now simplify this value. So this will become a 1 plus minus 1 multiply this minus and minus, we get a plus. 4 multiply 1 multiply 1 is 4. Look at the denominator, multiply this 2 by 1, we get a 2. And again we simplify this term. So this will gamma 1 plus minus 4 plus 1 is 5. So 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. This is the value of x in our question. And we let that x is equal to 8 over 2 raised to the power m. So we separate this value 1 minus square root 5 over 2, and the second value will be 8 over 2 raised to the power m. It's equal to 1 plus square root 5 over. Look at this, if we solve this value then we get a negative number, and the left hand side is in exponent form. So exponent form is not equal to any negative number, so we cannot use this equation. So look at this, if we solve this then we get any positive number. So, and the left hand side is an exponent form, so we can use this equation. And we know that b raised to the power n, if it is equal to a, this implies if we write this equation in log form, then this is a n is equal to log a with base b. So if we write this equation in log form using this identity, can say that m is equal to log 1 plus square root 5 over 2 with base 8 by 2. So this is the value of m in our question, and we have done.